Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to do an at-home manicure with Vibrantz gel nail polish. Why Vibrantz is so special is because it's a water-based gel nail polish that's breathable. Some of the great advantages about this nail polish is that it's 18 big free, it lasts for at least 10 to 12 days, you can air dry with this nail polish, it's odorless, peels off, it's halal, vegan, cruelty-free, and there is no smell. Both teenage girls and pregnant women can use the formula, and there is no UV lamp needed. These are just some of the benefits of Vibrantz nail polish. Also, 18 big free means that it is free of chemicals that are used to make normal nail polishes or gel nail polishes. To start off, we're first going to clean our nails. How we're going to do this is by using some of the tools that we have, like liquid latex, cuticle oil, a cuticle nail pusher, and a bonding gel that bonds the nail polish to your fingernail. We're also going to have a nail file to shape up the form of your nails. Vibrantz 2-in-1 base and top coat. You first want to paint a layer of this as the base coat onto your nail. Then you're going to choose between a variety of Vibrantz colors, whichever one that speaks to you most. I chose a variety of colors to put on my first hand just to show off all of the color scheme that Vibrantz has to offer. I'm going to end with Vibrantz beige color because it's one of my favorites. You're going to apply the first coat of polish on top of the base coat. After you do this, wait 1 minute at least for it to dry, then go ahead and apply the second layer. And again, wait at least 1 minute for the second layer to dry. Lastly, you're going to apply the top coat. This is, again, the Vibrantz 2-in-1 base and top coat formula. remember that the drying time for your nails is going to vary based on the temperature. I highly recommend waiting at least an hour before you go to sleep to do your nails. That way it's not during the day when you're being active, washing dishes, doing chores or work, and your nails might smudge. So best to do in the evening, about an hour or two before you go to sleep. How to remove Vibrantz gel water-based nail polish. There are a few different ways you can remove Vibrantz gel nail polish. One of them is by using 100% acetone. We're going to put this on cotton pads on each of our fingers, then wrap the fingers with tin foil. You're then going to wait 2 minutes and then slowly take off the foils, removing all of the nail polish. The second way you can remove Vibrantz gel nail polish is by peeling the nail polish off after 2 to 3 days. Do not scrub off the nail polish or take it off like normal nail polish because Vibrantz is a completely different formula. Therefore, it's not going to be removed in the same way as a normal nail polish. After removing the nail polish, you can then put on cuticle oil if you have it, just to really nourish your nails. Thanks for watching how to do an at-home manicure with Vibrantz gel water-based nail polish. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful time doing a manicure yourself at your home.